Thikũ-ini tu thutha wa thibitari ya Balambala kaunti-ini ya Garissa kuhingwo kuumana na ukunderu wa arigitani, riu thibitari uyu ni uhingũrĩtwo ringi na kuhe aikari mwena uyu mwihoko ringi kuona marakoretwo na ihinda iritu riria marabatara urigiti.
We have been conducting ENT operations at this theatre. The theatre was built 2016 but was not fully operationalized. Currently, as we speak, the theatre is fully operational and can conduct most surgeries.
Kurumirira undu uyu riu thirikari ya kaunti ya Garissa ni urite aikari mwena uyu kuoya kanya gaka ka mwanya guthimwo murimu wa kansa kuona ni iraheana motungata maya hatari marihi. Undu uyu ugiuka thikũ nini tu o riri gukoretwo na ritana kuma kuri atongoria na muingi ria kwanirira murimu uyu ta king'uki gia gĩbũrũri.
Tutakuwa na mikakati ya kuhakikisha kwamba pambana na huu ugonjwa wa saratani. Hivyo basi tuko na uchunguzi katika facilities zote za afya kila mahali, na pia tunawapatia elimu ya afya kwa watu wote ili nao pia wajitokeleze na wapate kuchunguzwa.
Akiaria thibitari-ini ucio minista wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Garissa Ahmed Nadir augite hari bata Kenya guthomithio maingi megie murimu uyu kuona aingi marahofanirio matekumenya kuria uritie honge itiganite cia ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini gukorwo ciri muhari-ini wa mbere hari gutigirira Kenya ni magia na umenyo wa murimu uyu.
We have power outages of the national grid. To fill the vacuum, we have a backup generator system that is currently running the operations with a capacity of 165 kVA. So we only need to maintain it and get fuel supply that will run the surgeries. So in addition to this, we have enough staff who are doing the surgeries. Currently at the theatre, we have a complete surgical team.
Oho ni eranĩire kuheana macini cia kĩrĩu mathibitari-ini matiganĩte kaunti-ini ya Garissa niguo gutigirira murimu uyu ni wang'ethanirwo naguo kuria aigite andu 7 ni marikitie kugunika kugerera mutaratara uyu undu uria unyitirwo mbaru ni afitha wa urigitani mwena ucio Faradon. Handu-ini haka Meme TV ritwa rakwa ni Wangui wa Wanjiku.